Hi there. Today I'll be taking you through the process of adding users to the ZKTeco Linux-based attendance device and the ZKTeco Android-based attendance device. ZKTeco attendance devices work on two OS, the Linux and the Android OS. There's really no much difference between these two OS, but when registering, there's a bit of difference between them. That is why we are taking this video to show you how to register on a Linux-based device and an Android-based device. So for this tutorial, I'll be using the ZKTeco G4 Pro time and attendance device and the popular MB460 time and attendance device. Now let's register our users. So now we want to register a new user to this Android-based device, the G4 Pro time and attendance device. So what we have to do is, if you look at the screen, you'll see we have two icons. One icon indicating a person and the other icon indicating the menu. So all you just do is click on the menu. So right now there's no administrator registered on this device, but that's not a problem. You can still register a new user. All you just have to do is click OK and the menu pops up, and then we click on user management menu. There's a menu up here that shows user management, and then we click on the user management. When we click on the user management, we do not have any user registered, as you can see on our screen. To add a new user, we'll click on the plus button. And when we click on the plus button, we have all the variables that we need to add a new user. So first, we have to add the user ID. So what ID are we giving to this user? So I'm giving this user an ID of 15. An ID of 15. So 1 and 5, 15. I press the OK, confirm. This user has an ID of 15. And then we give this user a username. So we give this user a username of Dave. So this username is Dave, and then we confirm. And then we move on to the user role. Like I said before, there's no administrator registered on this device. So there are two user roles that are possible for users to have on your time and attendance device. One is the administrator user role, and the second is the normal user. So when you click on the user role, you can see super administrator and normal. So this is we are registering for a normal user, which is your normal staff at work, not your admin staff that manages your time and attendance solution. So we click on normal user, and then now we want to input a verification method. For the G4 Pro, there are multiple verification methods. We have the facial recognition, we have the password, we have the card, and we have the palm verification. As you can see, this is our camera to capture our palm. This is where you swipe your card when you if you have registered a card on the device. So, but for this tutorial, we are going to be just registering the password. If you want to learn how to register other verification methods, please visit our YouTube channel, ZKTeco West Africa. You'll see a video on how to register users to your time and attendance device. So we click on the password now, and I'm going to put a password. The password must be a 6-digit PIN. Must be a 6-digit PIN. So my password will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we confirm. Oh, I can't confirm it because I have not re-entered my password. So I have to re-enter my password. So on the second screen, on the second input option, I re-enter my password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, like I said, your password has to be 6 digits, and then you confirm. You have successfully registered a user on an Android-based device for ZKTeco time and attendance device. Now we want to register a new user to our Linux-based device, the MB460. Please note, we have other Linux devices. We are just using the MB460 as a sample for this tutorial. So for us to add a new user, we have to go to our menu. You can see our menu here where it is written on the keypad M/OK. The M stands for the menu, while the OK is used to confirm whatever action you take. So I press the M, and then it goes straight to the icon panels. On the icon panels, we can see new user management. We click on new user management. On the new user management, unlike the Android based device, we can see three options: new user, all user, display style. The display style is used to customize the display of your device. The all user is used to manage all users in the device, and the new user is used to add new users to the device. We are more concerned about adding a new user, so we press the OK button. And when we press the OK button, like the Linux based device, we have to give this user an ID. So what ID are we giving this user? We are giving this user an ID of 14, and then we press OK again. And if you notice, we have an arrow button up and down. So we scroll down to name. We have to give this user a name. Press OK, and then we give this user a name of Dave. Yes, and you have to press to each letters because it is a keypad, just like a normal phone with a keypad button. So we're giving this user a name of Dave, and then we press OK, and then the name is successfully saved. Now we have to scroll down. If you scroll down, you see we have user role like we have on our Android device. This is a normal user, not an admin, so we leave it as it is. It's showing a normal user. So now we have to register our fingerprint, our face, or our card, or our password. So for this tutorial, I'll be registering my fingerprint on this device just for the purpose of this video. So I click on OK on the fingerprint, and all I have to do is add my index finger. As you can see, the notification here is showing me adding my index finger here. So all I just have to do is put my index finger on the device. Successful. I've successfully registered my fingerprint on this device. If you want to learn how to add register other verification methods, please visit our YouTube channel to watch a video on how to register face, card, password, palm, or whatever verification method you want on our YouTube channel, ZKTeco West Africa. Thank you very much. I don't need thank you very much.